In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your birthday on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, just tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile, and then tap at Edit Profile button. Now guys, here we need to scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find Edit Your About Info. We need to tap at that button. And then if we scroll down just here at Basic Info, we'll find our current birthday. To edit this data, first off, we need to tap at Edit. That's where we can configure whom we would like to share that information with. We can configure privacy level for our birthday and month, and also we can separately configure it for our birth year. If we tap right here, we can set it to public, friends, or only me. However, if you would like to edit this data, you need to tap right here, Edit in Account Center. Then we'll be taken to Meta Account Center to the page where we can easily change our birthday. Just tap right here, select New Birthday, and then hit Save to apply the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.